Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can hide elements or objects on your canvas on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to your canvas, right click into the given object. Let me go with that rectangle here, and from that menu here, after you have clicked into it, you will see this option, hide selected object. So click into it and the object will be hidden from the canvas. However guys, it won't disappear from your project itself or from your list of layers. As you can see, if you, for example, right click into it, you will see that it is selected here in your list of layers and objects. And even if I hide it, the entry will still be here. However guys, with that small icon here to the right indicating that the given object has been hidden. So you can use this icon here to click into it, into that eye icon, to show it or to unhide it again on your canvas. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.